Okay, I need to ask you something. Have you ever wanted to sell digital products online, but had no design skills, no complicated software, and honestly, no idea where to even start? Yeah, same here. What if I told you there's a platform that claims you can create professional digital products just by typing a few words and start selling them online almost instantly? Today, we're talking about DesignMart AI and why so many beginners are jumping into it right now. So here's the big idea behind DesignMart AI. It's an AI-powered platform that lets you generate digital design products from simple text prompts. That means you type what you want, and the system creates ready-to-sell graphics, templates, and design assets for you. No Photoshop, no Illustrator, no complicated design tools. And here's where it gets interesting. It doesn't just create designs. It actually helps you turn those designs into sellable digital products, complete with storefront capabilities. Let that sink in. You're not just creating random graphics, you're building products you can sell. According to the platform, you can generate AI-powered designs in seconds, create digital assets for marketplaces, set up your own storefront, accept payments, and deliver products automatically, all from one dashboard. And here's what most people care about. You keep 100% of the profits. No monthly subscriptions, no revenue sharing. At least that's what they're advertising on their exclusive offer page. Now, think about this. The digital product industry is exploding right now. Templates, printables, social media graphics, digital planners, ebook covers, mock-ups. People are making serious money selling these online. But the biggest barrier is designing the creatives. That's where AI changes the game. With DesignMart AI, you don't need years of experience, you don't need to outsource to expensive freelancers, and you don't need to spend months learning software. You type what you want, the AI generates it, you package it, you sell it. Sounds almost too simple, right? Now, let's talk about pricing. Right now, they're offering a one-time access deal, not a subscription, for a very low entry price compared to most design tools out there. And that's important because most platforms charge monthly fees. This one positions itself as a one-time investment. So who is this really for? This is perfect for beginners who want a side hustle, freelancers looking to create passive income, content creators who need digital assets, and entrepreneurs who want to launch fast. If you've ever thought about selling on marketplaces or building your own digital brand, this lowers the barrier to entry dramatically. Now, quick reality check. AI tools are powerful, but they still require strategy. You still need to choose the right niche, create products people actually want, and market your store. But the hard part, the technical design work, becomes much easier. And that's where most people get stuck. So here's my honest take. If you've been sitting on the sidelines, waiting for the perfect time to start selling digital products, this might be the shortcut you've been looking for. Not magic, not overnight millions, but a real tool that removes the biggest obstacle, design complexity. And sometimes that's all you need to get moving. If you're curious, I've left the link in the description below so you can check out the exclusive offer for yourself. Take a look at the features, see if it aligns with your goals. And if you decide to try it, let me know in the comments what kind of digital products you're planning to create. I'd love to hear your ideas. If this video helped you understand what DesignMart AI is all about, hit that like button, subscribe for more digital income strategies, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Having said all that, this is just a video. It's not guaranteeing any results. Just like anything, there's a risk involved, especially with AI tools. So make sure you do your research and make informed decisions before investing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.